Capital One Auto Navigator Review 2025. Is it the best way to finance a car? You won't believe how simple car financing can be in 2025. Capital One Auto Navigator promises pre-approval, transparent rates, and a seamless car buying experience. But is it truly the best way to finance a car? The surprising truth is speed and clarity. Most people get this wrong by thinking financing has to be complicated. With Auto Navigator, you can see real loan offers before visiting a dealership. This allows you to compare monthly payments, interest rates, and loan terms upfront, helping you shop like a cash buyer. Another advantage is flexibility. You won't believe what happens next when you realize the platform works with thousands of dealerships nationwide. You can filter loans by term length, APR, and even vehicle type. Plus, Capital One provides tools to estimate payments and check eligibility without affecting your credit score initially. However, there are cons. Auto Navigator is limited to participating dealerships, which might restrict options in some regions. Some borrowers may find rates higher than local credit unions or other lenders, especially for buyers with excellent credit. Additionally, the platform doesn't provide in-depth advice for first-time buyers, so you need to research loan terms carefully. In conclusion, Capital One Auto Navigator in 2025 is ideal for those seeking a transparent, fast, and convenient car financing experience. It empowers buyers with pre-approval, clear terms, and nationwide access. While it may not always offer the absolute lowest rates, the simplicity and convenience make it a strong choice for most car shoppers looking to save time and reduce stress.